Factory black, 2005, supercharged Saleen, 17,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive. 2005 convertible supercharged Saleen. This is a great car. It is a documented 17,186.3 miles. It's a clean Carfax, clean Autocheck, no accidents or damage ever reported. And obviously, again, it's a legit 17,000 mile car. This is, again, a 2005. It is a factory supercharged car. So it's a supercharged 4.6, making 400 horse and 420 foot-pounds of torque in the stock configuration. Really a stock car mechanically outside of the aftermarket cold air intake. But we have the original cold air intake that will go with it if the next owner wants it. Runs fantastic. These are really fun cars. This one is optioned with the 355 gears. You have your 5-speed manual transmission. Obviously your power steering, power disc brakes. So no complaints there. Factory heat and AC work exactly like they should. Blows nice and cold. Heat blows hot. We're in 5th gear right now, just cruising, letting it warm up just a little bit. You do have the factory exhaust system. Excuse me. You do have the original exhaust system. Still retaining the catalytic converters. Then you have that center exit exhaust in the back, which looks killer. Not a crazy loud car. If you wanted to do some Flowmasters or Borlas to get a little bit more sound out of it, you could. I'm waiting for, again, it to warm up a little bit before I do a little 3rd, 4th gear pull here. Let it warm up again before we really get in the throttle. But regular driving, we're cruising at 60, 65 miles an hour right now. Performs great. On the interior, you have your factory black interior. The only notes I'm going to say is you have a little bit of wear on the edge of the driver's seat from getting in and out. It's almost inevitable on these cars. And then right between the 2 vents here, there's like a little circle imperfection on the silver there. It looks like a little, I don't know if maybe someone had like a little suction cup or something mounted there at one point. But outside of the little bolster wear on the seats and then the little spot here in the center, the interior shows great. Door panels are nice, carpet, floor mats, upper dash, lower dash, all of that does show well. No issues with the radio buttons, which is very common for these, the little black plating on the stereo buttons to come off. This one doesn't have that problem. Factory steering wheel with your cruise control buttons, factory gauges, all that stuff's functioning. You have your 2 gauges mounted up on the top of the dash, your boost gauge, and then your intercooler temperature gauge. This is, again, obviously a convertible. It's a power top, which works correctly. On the does it work section for this car, everything is going to be listed as a yes. You will find that does it work section within the additional media area on the website pcclassiccars.com. How you're going to find that is you're going to go to the inventory tab up at the very top. You're going to click on this piece of inventory, then you're going to scroll to the very bottom and you will find that does it work section. Can't get too crazy with it. Got a bunch of traffic here today, but that's okay. We'll have a couple more opportunities a little bit later in the video to do some more polls. But it runs fantastic. And like you'd expect a 17,000 mile car, when it comes to the underneath, the floors are excellent. The frame is great. Pinch welds look good. There's no problems of any kind on the underneath of this car. On the exterior, it is your factory black, your black top. You do have some imperfections on the hood. On the tops of the fenders, there's little touch-ups, miscellaneous spots here and there. Same thing with the front bumper. There's a little scuff over here on the passenger side quarter. And then kind of walking around the car, you have other little miscellaneous imperfections and flaws, just little stuff here and there. Nothing to write home about, nothing major. You will see photos of all the imperfections in that additional media section on the website pcclassiccars.com, so make sure you guys check that out. Factory wheels in great shape. Tires are, I believe, 2019 and 2022 respectively, front and rear there. Tires have plenty of tread, no dry rot, no cracking, so they're ready to roll. Always been a big fan of this body style. Underappreciated. I think they're tough looking cars with the ground effects, spoilers in the back, the exhaust setup on them. Obviously the really good looking wheels. I've just, again, personally been a big fan of these cars, and this is just a great looking one. Obviously, being black, you can't ever go wrong with that. Factory supercharged car, great miles, a lot of fun to drive. I will say the factory shifters in these, they do have a little bit of play in them. I like a short throw shifter. But there's nothing wrong with this shifter. It's just you can kind of move the shifters around a little bit. They have they're really forgiving. You're not going from first to second without any issues. It's very easy to find all the gears. And then same thing from second to third, third to fourth. Suspension is going to be your racecraft equipment. Checks out exactly like it should, front and rear. No pulls left, no pulls right from the brakes. Clutch again feels exactly like it should. Engages where you want it to. As far as some of your power options, power windows, locks, mirrors, all that's functioning exactly like it should. Got your traction control button here on the dash. Got your info buttons for the digital display below the speedometer. All that's functioning correctly. These are a Shaker, are they the 500? Yeah, Shaker 500 sound system that these were born with. Glass doesn't have any major issues that I can see other than, I mean, a few little road imperfections in the windshield, but super minuscule. Windows roll up and down like they should. Your factory defrost in the back works like it should. These seats are comfortable. It's a power driver seat over here. Pulls really well. Downshifts like it should. When you pop the deck lid in the back, inside the trunk is super clean. OE spec back there. You pop the hood, it is the original numbers matching Supercharged 4.6. This is a factory supercharged car. You can get these as naturally aspirated or supercharged like this one. Really the only thing that's been changed on this one is going to be that cold air intake. Adds a couple horsepower probably. Belts, hoses, wiring, fluids, everything in that engine bay checks out exactly like it should. Like any convertible, old or new, you get a little bit of wind noise from the top corners of both the driver and the passenger window. It's really minimal, just kind of a nitpicky thing for you. So my biggest things on this one is your little imperfection on the silver here on the dash, your couple paint flaws here and there, which you will find photos of all this stuff in that additional media tab, but it is a great car. A little bit more aggressive pull there for you guys. As always, I'm Michael. This is a 2005 Supercharged Saleen convertible with 17,193 miles. For myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, PCClassicCars.com. Check out the content we're posting across our social platforms every single day. We'll catch you guys on the next video.